In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly work with Canva and Google to edit your documents online. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just getting started, this guide will walk you through every step you need to know. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva website. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Canva in your search engine. Canva is an amazing tool that allows you to unleash your creativity with an array of templates and design options. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see the Log In button on the top right corner. Click on this to proceed. If you haven't signed up yet, you can easily create an account, but for today, we'll assume you already have one. Upon clicking Log In, you'll be prompted to continue with your account credentials. If this is your first time logging in or if you have your credentials saved, you may see a Continue button. Click on that to move forward to the next step. Canva provides a few different ways to log in, including with Google, so for a streamlined experience, we recommend choosing your Google account. Select your Google account from the list or enter your login information as needed. Using Google simplifies things, ensuring easy access and integration between the two platforms. This setup is particularly helpful if you want to pull resources from your Google Drive or share designs quickly. Once you've logged in, you may need to click on a Continue button again to finalize the login process. After that, you'll find yourself on Canva's main dashboard, which might look a bit overwhelming if it's your first time. But don't worry, you'll soon find it intuitive. Locate the document that you want to edit. This could be a current project or a new template you'd like to customize. With your document open, direct your attention to the text or paragraphs that need editing. Highlight these text areas by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. This is where you can make modifications, whether you're altering the font size, color, or style to match your project's needs. You may want to adjust text alignment for better visual impact. Find the alignment icon, which resembles horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, and click on it. This action cycles through different alignment options: left, center, right, and justified. If you're looking for a specific text presentation, keep clicking until you find the alignment that fits your design best. And that's it. You've just navigated Canva using Google for a seamless editing experience. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to create stunning designs with ease. Remember, the more you use Canva, the more efficient you'll become at utilizing its vast features. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!